Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, I have already provided you a lot of ideas, informations or facts related with the chapter. Like a brief description related with the poet or author, as well as characters, scene, spots, facts, and explanations. I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out each and every types of problems related with the topic. So just after providing a very simple summary related with the title, related with the chapter, I am sure that all of you can simply understand the chapter. Next day, I shall provide you the rest activities related with the title, related with the topic, as well as related with the chapter. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's video and follow me. Now summary of the story. Evelyn Glennin is a multi-percussionist. She can play about 1,000 instruments with perfection. She listened to sound without hearing it. Evelyn fought against a physical disability and became a source of inspiration for thousands of disabled persons. She was profoundly deaf. She was 11 years of age when it was discovered that she had a problem with the sense of hearing. The deterioration started when she was about 8 years. She wanted to pursue a career in music, but her teachers discouraged her. It was Ron Forbes who recognized her potential and supported her in achieving her goal. He advised her not to listen through her ears but try to sense and feel it in some other way. Soon she was excited. She felt the vibrations of higher drum from the waist above and lower drum from the waist down. Later she realized that she could feel the vibrations in every part of her body. They tingled upon her skin, her cheekbones, and even in her hair. She had learned to open her body and mind to the sounds and vibrations. After that, she never looked back. Evelyn joined the prestigious Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the Academy. She worked hard With a strong determination, she got right to the top. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Socialist of the Year award. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She is an inspiration for deaf children. She has accomplished more than most people twice her age. She has been conferred with many awards like Socialist of the Year. Glennie was selected as one of the two laureates of the Polar Music Prize of 2015. She kept herself busy with performing for the disabled, prisoners, and for the sick. Now, my dear students, I am sure that just after providing you the summary of this chapter, I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out any problems related with the story. Next part of the story, it means the activities related with the chapter like extract based question I shall have to provide you next day. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.